Hi friends, this is Prashant. Today I am going to start with a new topic, something different. Question is why current is a scalar quantity. Actually, this topic is not covered in your 9th and 10th standard. It is there in 11th standard. But direct answer is not given. Why current is a scalar quantity. Now first of all, we'll go with what is current. Current is nothing but your rate of flow of charge. Current is nothing but what? Rate of flow of charge. So I can say current I is equal to rate matlab divided by time. It is charge upon time. This is charge upon time. Charge will be Q, time is T. Right? This Q can be written as N into E upon T. Now for this we'll consider one cylinder. Right? We'll take one cylinder. Say this is say wire. This is one wire. Right? This is a wire. Now we'll consider one area of cross section. This is called as area of cross section. This is called as what? Area of cross section. I will write here. This is called as area of cross section. This is called as area of cross section. Now this is the length of the conductor. Length of the conductor is what? L. This is the length of the conductor. Right? This is small l is the length of the conductor. Now these are electrons which are randomly moving in all possible directions. These are electrons which are randomly moving in all possible directions. Now since there is no battery attached to this wire, current in the circuit will be zero. Current will be zero. Now if I connect this to a cell, along with the key, so this is I am starting from here. This is one wire. Then this is the next. This is the next. And from here we are joining. Now here I am taking this is our cell, right? I am taking this is a positive terminal. This is the cell. Here is a key. It is called plug key. Key is closed, right? Now electrons being negatively charged. They are attracted towards positive terminal. Now the random motion is stopped. All these electrons from interior part, I am just removing all this part. These electrons are now randomly motion is stopped and they are moving in one particular direction. All these electrons are being negatively charged. They are pulled towards positive terminal. Right? They are pulled towards positive terminal. So here there will be a conventional current. This is I. This is called as your conventional current. This conventional current is always from positive terminal towards negative. This is positive terminal towards negative. And this is nothing but our electron flow. This is nothing but our electron flow. Electron flow is always from negative terminal towards positive, and conventional current, what we call current, is always from positive terminal towards negative. Now, what is scalar quantity? Basically, we have in standard 9th. What is scalar quantity? The physical quantity which has only magnitude or which can be completely expressed by its magnitude is called a scalar quantity. But here, current, just write here, current has magnitude. Now, what is magnitude? It is a numerical value. Magnitude is what? Numerical value. Say 5 ampere is a current. Current is a 5 ampere. So 5 ampere is a magnitude. Current has magnitude plus direction. It has what? Direction. Now current के पास magnitude है, direction है. Then how can it be scalar? That is your question mark. मतलब अगर scalar है तो how is it scalar quantity? तो whatever definition you have studied in 9th standard is not complete. It is not complete. So the complete definition says कि physical quantity which has magnitude, direction, plus it should obey laws of vector algebra. It is what? Laws of vector algebra. अभी लॉज ऑफ वेक्टर अलजेब्रा में क्या क्या आता है? तो यू हैव ट्रायंगल लॉ, पैरेललोग्राम लॉ, ऑल दीज लॉ दे आर कॉल्ड लॉज ऑफ वेक्टर अलजेब्रा. तो करंट हैज मैग्नीट्यूड, इट हैज डायरेक्शन, बट इट इज नॉट ओबेइंग. सो वी राइट हियर it does not obey. So here I will write it does not obey laws of vector algebra. And because of this part, because of only this part, current is scalar. Current is what? Scalar. Now if you want what are laws of vector algebra, please do comment in this video so that I will make a separate video only on laws of vector algebra, that is triangle law, parallelogram law. Now this part, laws of vector algebra part, is not covered in our 9th and 10th standard, and that's why it is difficult for us to explain why current is scalar quantity in this level. Now students, if you are 9th and 10th standard, they won't ask कि why current is scalar, but you should know कि why current is a scalar quantity, right? That's it for this video. Thank you.